Hello, hello, it's homework time. Oh, I gotta, I thought I had it up. Okay, let's see. Is it recording? Yes. Okay, so for tonight's homework, you have part one of a module review. So we're gonna have our module 12 test on Friday. So this is part one of the review. And then tomorrow, I'm not gonna give you homework because we have our celebration. But Thursday, you'll do the second part and then you'll be all set for the test. And remember, the test is very similar. So if you understand all of this, you will be able to do really great on the test. Different numbers, so it's not like you can memorize anything. But if you understand how to solve each problem, you will be good to go. All right, so I'm going to go through this with you. I'm not going to do it all. And I will have a secret word. So let me write secret word to remind myself, okay? Because, sometimes I forget. Okay, so number one. And I'm also going to give you a copy of this just to have in case, I'll do with just the tenths and hundredths in case you want to use that to help you solve, help you visualize, okay? So number one, what is 5/10 written as a decimal? Okay. So I'm going to go through these and I'm going to eliminate the ones that I know cannot be right. So just looking, I see this as a fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. There is no whole number. This is not a mixed number. There's not a whole and a fraction. So I know 5.0 cannot be it because any number that comes before a decimal point is part of a whole number. So and 50.0, no way. So now I'm between these two. I'm going to look at A, and I'm going to think about how I read that. Gee, there's a number in the tenths place and the hundredths place. So this is 5/100ths. So that would be, if I looked at my hundredths and I colored 5 of them in, right? That is 5/100ths. Is 5/100ths the same as 5/10ths? No, it is not. So this cannot be. And here I have the 5 in the tenths place. This is 5/10ths. This is 5/10ths. A lot of times when you just read them, if you say them the same way, if you know how to read decimals and fractions, it makes life a lot easier. 5/10ths. I would look at my tenths model and I would color in 5 of them. I'm just showing you this. You don't need to do this to solve. Okay, so the answer is B. Here, what is 3 7/7 written as a decimal? Okay, so here this is called a mixed number. There's a whole number with a fraction. Okay, so there's whole number and a fraction. My whole number is 3. So looking here, I can eliminate 7.3 because I need 3 as my whole number, the number before the decimal. So you two are out. Now I look here. 3 7/10, the 7 is in the tenths place. And then if we have two numbers, we're going to say hundredths. So 3 7/100. 3 7/100. Voila. And you all practiced this when we did capture the flag today. This was what we did. We renamed mixed numbers into decimals, right? So bam. And if you could do it one way, you could do it the other way. Ooh. Which is a correct comparison of 37/100ths and 27/100ths? And remember, if there's a number in the hundredths place and that's where it ends, we say hundredths. Okay? And you really couldn't have 37 tenths because that would mean you'd need extra 10 tenths models. You would end up having a hole, right? Many holes, okay? So we compare. We always move left to right. So the number with the greatest value is always going to be first, and then we go down the line. So let's look at our first number before the decimal, 0, 0. Okay, then we go to the next one. Ooh, in the tenths place, we have a 3 and a 2. What does our alligator want to eat? Our alligator wants to eat the 3, right? Because that is a bigger number. So I'm going to make my symbol, okay? And now I'm going to look through. And I look right at the first one. 37 hundredths is greater than 27 hundredths. Voila. And if you want to be extra careful, you can go through and eliminate, okay? Oh, I'm doing the wrong paper. What did I do with it? It's okay because these are the same, but I edited ours. Okay. The rest you're going to do on your own, so I'm going to read it to you. Number 4, what is 8 6/100ths, right? The 6 is in the hundredths place, written as a mixed number. And again, a mixed number has a whole number and a fraction. Okay? So our whole number is going to be 8. So very quickly, I can eliminate this and I can eliminate this. 86, no. Okay? Number 5, and you can pause the video and continue. Rename 7 tenths as a decimal. 7 tenths. Okay. Number 6, place an X in the table to show if each set has an equivalent fraction and decimal. Remember, equivalent. We went over this today. Equivalent means equal. So are they equal to each other? Look through. If they are, you check here. If they are not equivalent, you check the box on the right, okay? So go through each one. Number 7, place an X in the table to show if each comparison is correct. So if it's correct, you check yes. If it's not correct, you check no. I actually want to go over this with you. So you have 6 and 5 tenths and 6 and 50 hundredths. So if you look, so the whole numbers are the same. So we're really comparing 5 tenths and 50 hundredths. Let's see if they're the same. If I have 5 tenths, I'm going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have to color in 50 hundredths. I know each column is 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. If I look, oh my goodness, they are the same. Because 5 tenths equals 50, right? 5 times 10 is 50. So we have to decide, is this true or not? I'm not going to tell you. Okay. Then number 8. Say to represent 7 tenths on the number line. Where on the number line does she plot the point? Plot the point on the number line. So 7 tenths is a part of a whole. It's a fraction. We are from 0 to 1. You know how to do this. Do your best. And secret word. Our secret word is what do I want to do? Let's do proud. Proud. We are McLeod proud. That's the secret word. Alrighty, I shall see you in the morning. If you have any, well, we'll go over this all tomorrow, okay? Or no, we won't. We'll go over this on Thursday. But I'll be here in the morning, so if you have questions and you want to get cleared up in the morning, stop by my room. All right, bye.